Have a good day, friends. I am Usama Patel. I have brought a beautiful video for you guys, so watch the full video. In this video, we are going to see the cage. I made this cage especially for you guys. We are going to see two cages. The first is big and the second one is small. Now is an important announcement. If anyone want to make a cage, they can contact me. You will find cage of any design, size and style. You will also get the color according to your wishes. My WhatsApp number is 7738786684. Okay, 7738786684. Enjoy the video. Okay, first we can talk about the small cage. The length of cage is 36 inches, breadth is 18 inches and the height is 27 inches. This cage is movable. We can hang it and put it on the floor. The capacity of cage is easily breed 3 pair of the budgie or 4 pair of java or 6 pair of finches. And if you don't want to breed, you can keep easily 10 budgies or 12 java or 18 finches easily. Okay, this is our small cage. The door size is very big. You can put a breeding box easily. It is also a tray system. Okay, this cage is foldable also. You can open entire the cage. Now we can talk about the another cage, big cage. The length of the big cage is 42 inches, breadth is 18 inches and the height is 20 inches. This cage is hanging, moving and it is have a tray, so we clean it easily. The capacity of the cage, we can breed easily a pair of conyo, a pair of cockatiels easily. And if you don't want to breed in this cage, you can took easily 4 conyos, 4 cockatiels and 15 budgies, 20 java or 20 finches. This cage is movable also and stopper also in this tire. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.